All right, it's time for a tour of the interior for 767 Zulu. First thing you'll note, carpet is going to be replaced. We have new carpets on order, so they will be delivered with the aircraft installed. Front seats, our back. Now you'll note the back seat can be slid forward. We can slide it as far forward as we'd like. This aircraft also has the 8th seat installed. Ton of room back there for cabinets or luggage or anything. It also has the potty seat installed. It's got some nicer refinished tray tables. As you can see. Even has little cup holders. We'll come up front here. And like I mentioned, the plastics are the one thing that we would recommend to really complete this aircraft. Just needs some refinished and painted plastics. So you can see the co-pilot side, we have complete instruments. Pilot side, we have Garmin 600. We have 750 GTN. 2 Garmin transponders, the 340 audio panel, JPI. I believe this is a 760, which is CHT, EGT, and then we've got your primaries. They're marked in op for the EGT because they're on the JPI, and then we've got oil pressure, oil temp. We've got our shade and fuel flow. Otherwise, it's your pretty typical 421C panel. We've got a Cessna autopilot here. It does have the altitude pre-select. We also have the fire extinguisher option, which is nice to have. It's equipped with air conditioning. There's your heat and air conditioning controls over there. And then very standard panel for a 421C breaker panel. And you can see on the autopilot, it does have the option to follow heading, nav, altitude. There's a flight director, which runs that, as well as tied into the GPS, and a radar altimeter. So there she is.